So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is how to deposit your dog into your wallet. So click on deposit to exchange. So I will choose Telegram because I will be using my Telegram wallet to for this. So click on wallet in Telegram. So click on continue. Open wallet in Telegram. Let me click on it. So now allow it to load. Then click on continue. Then verification completed. Then let me return back to dog. Now yes, draw to yes, keep going. I confirm. So now deposit in progress. Thank you for watching today's video. See you next.